Welcome to the world of seamless website customization with the BlockWheels Pro plugin. Today, let's dive into adding a personal touch to your website using the CountDown block. To get started, install and activate the BlockWheels Pro plugin. Click on the Edit button for the page where you'd like to add your countdown timer. Once you are in editing mode, click on the plus icon to add a new block and select the countdown block from the options. From here, you can adjust the layout to your liking. Display the time units, such as hours, days, and seconds, exactly how you want. Personalize each label by changing its color, adjusting its size, and even modifying. You also have 3 border style options to choose from: solid, dotted, or dashed. Next, customize the countdown's timing settings, spacing, and the blocks, border style and color to match your theme. Customize the label to suit your content, align it to your preferred position, and adjust the border radius to achieve any shape: round, oval, or any style you like. These simple adjustments can elevate the look of your countdown block and make it perfectly fit your website's design. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Publish to save your changes. Then select View Page to see your newly customized countdown block in action. And that's it! You've successfully added a countdown block to your website using BlockWheels Pro. Simple and effective. Happy customizing!